on Cowl Blackstone. The stains though dumb tell money stories of cruel death, damp little glory. With lion heart but human bone, their lifeblood soaked the foreign loan. And great reverence read the names that's etched on brass and on black stones. With blood-red poppies at your feet, see lives cut short, they're passing fleet. As the lengthening shadows close the day, think of young lives tore away. Stand a minute chin on chest and think of these how Ulster's best. On black stain polished Yatsy Cowl, on brass the names of the bravest souls. The fechten men fear tune lands, while gin to war, but an they're gone. Left greeting mothers, wains and wives, for freedom's cause they given their lives. Names carved in stone, so you and me fi tyrant's yoke are yet still free. Their ghasts still hump the war-wrapped plains, fi Flanders mud to Alamein. By names that never can grow out, on standing stains, sae dumb, sae Cowl.